If you want to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on POCO C85, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you can go to More Connectivity Options, and then in here just look for the data usage. After that, we can see the data used by the default SIM card that is used for mobile data. So if you set SIM number 1 as the card that you want to use for mobile data, then you will see them the data usage for that card, of course. And besides that, we can tap on these two arrows that we have in the upper right corner, and we can switch to the Wi-Fi usage instead. And if you want to see, for example, the mobile data usage for the other card, in case you have two SIM cards, then we have to go back, then open mobile networks in settings. And like I said, we need to switch the mobile data and use another SIM card for mobile data. And then if we reopen the data usage settings, as you can see now, it is for the other SIM. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.